Don't tell me that a bun is a bun, because this one right here, it has some twist in it.
Hi, I'm Malita. Welcome to this channel. Ensure that you subscribe and share our contents. So, having washed, conditioned, and moisturized my hair, I am extremely excited to show you how I achieved this all occasions twisted bun using some products and some hair accessories which I've already indicated in the description box in this video. So, get a cup of water, grab a seat, and make yourself comfy. So I started out with sectioning out my fringe while having a good look at my face. So it's very important that you consider the shape of your face while sectioning out your fringe to ensure that you do not bring out so much hair on your face and that you do not make a shapeless cut that will end you up looking like a mushroom or an umbrella. So I twisted it out from the rest of the hair. Then I used my hands in a strong grip to put my bun in place. So baby girl, trust me, you don't want to use a weak rope for this, because if you do and it splits up, the embarrassment will be so massive. And every night I'll be thinking to you, Lola, because I've been looking for the one, I've been searching for the one. Since I met you, girl, I didn't say Proverbs 31. Oh my baby, oh my darling, I go show you love, specially made for me. So after that, I brushed up my pulled up hair and I clipped the bun in place. Now it's time to work with the fringe section of the hair. So I apply generous amount of the anti-jerky coiling custard. You can use your preferred coiling cream. I applied generous amount on the fringe, and then I divided it into sections and braided it out. You can actually twist out depending on how you want your curls to appear. So the bun hairstyle for me is not a go-to hairstyle, because I usually take my extra time to give it that extra look. However, there are benefits to this particular hairstyle, which includes tucking in your ends, conserving moisture in your hair, and stretching out your hair. This particular hairstyle is an all occasions hairstyle. Can be worn to any occasion depending on your outfit. Looking for the one, I've been searching for the one. Since I met you, girl, I did see Proverbs 31. Oh my baby, oh my darling, I go show you love, specially made for me. Heaven ordained for this holy. So the fringe braid is all set. Now it's time to work on the bun section of the hair. So I did a little bit of moisturizing and I added my strengthener to enable me walk through the hair effectively. And then using my hands, I sectioned the bun into two, and then for each section I picked out equal portions of hair and twisted it out loosely to the tip. I achieved about 13 twists from this, which I used in making the twisted bun. Now to achieve the twisted bun, I picked the hair in sections of 6 in number, 6 twisted strands, and then I braided it halfway down to the tip and pinned it to the center of the bun using my bobby pin. I did this for the entire twisted strands, so you can actually pick yours in 3s, 4s, or 5s. The denser the hair, the bigger the bun, and the more rigorous it would be. So after pinning the bun, the different sections of the bun, it appeared as though we had a kind of section bond. So to fuse the entire bonds into one single bond, I used my bobby pin at strategic points and the bonds to fuse it together to make it into one single twisted bond, as you can see. So this is our one big twisted bun. Doesn't that look perfect? So to sleek up my pulled up hair, I used the scarf for this. And then I allowed the braided out portion to dry up. So after drying it up, this is what I realized, just exactly as I expected it to be. Our fringe is all set, and then to add that extra exotic look, I had to lay down my edges. So guys, tell me what you think in the comment section, and do not forget to like, subscribe, and share our content. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.